Hello and welcome to MTD India. Today we are here at DMTX and I'm standing in front of UCAM stall and I'm here with Mr. Malhotra who is going to tell us about his fantastic journey. Sir, please tell us
My,
about your company.
myself, Krishan Malhotra. I worked in AK Automatics 40 years and make the precision turn parts for Maruti, Hero, Honda, Yamaha. Many components I developed and they are making regularly. Now we start on my unit as a name of Maheen Auto Parts. My son is with me. He is doing very well work.
Great.
So that's all.
So sir, tell me about how was your experience working with UCAM
Uh,
and using their rotary tables?
uh, with UCAM experience, with me 9-year-old experience, so we buy the table for one component for Honda City car. That time I developed that component. That component is very critical. Angle is 30 degree within 5 minutes tolerance. So I call UCAM person and I purchase that and we AK Automotive is using them.
Fantastic, sir. So your experience was good working with rotary table.
Very nice experience with UCAM and very good product is UCAM.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Thanks a lot for it.